out at the Great Air Show at Melbourne International Airport. We're representing Florida Institute of Technology, and we're partnered with our outstanding partners, Larson Motorsports, Northrop Grumman, and a slew of other sponsors here. We're here talking to high school students that are interested in STEAM, science, technology, engineering, art, and math. And we're trying to encourage them to pursue careers in these fields.
One of the things that we're most proud of is the Blazing Trails side of things, the K-12 STEM education. We've partnered with them in other places in the state of Florida for events that they've had with students. And now that we're coming back out and we're able to do this again, we're excited. Our employees love to come and talk about their career and how they developed and help students think about their choices and the things that they might want to do in their future for engineering. Thanks so much for having us here.
Number one, we're always looking for the future generation. And having kids come to something like this where they see a real product, but they see something, a cool product, and know what they can probably, or what they can do in the future. The thing is, we're not trying to sell anything to these kids. We're trying to get them to maybe get excited about this technology. The thing is, how do they get to that? And that's the pathway. And that's where Siemens is all about. I mean, we're old, we're 174 years old, but we invest in kids, we invest in STEM. We take a look at how do we get the next generation all excited about this stuff to kind of want to do this stuff. It's a big deal for us because it is the future.